Alabama center Seth McLaughlin, a seasoned player for the Crimson Tide, has made the decision to enter the transfer portal following a series of noteworthy missteps, particularly during the critical match against Michigan in the college football playoffs. Despite starting all 14 games in his fourth season, McLaughlin's struggle with errant snaps, notably on the final fourth down play in the Rose Bowl, has prompted this pivotal move. During the game against Michigan, McLaughlin's low snap on the crucial fourth down play proved costly as quarterback Jalen Milroe's attempt to run up the middle was thwarted. This issue was not isolated, as McLaughlin had two more problematic snaps earlier in the second half, a recurring problem throughout the season. Milroe, addressing the persistent snapping issue, emphasized the importance of the quarterback-center relationship and the need for meticulous preparation in various aspects of the game. McLaughlin, who started 25 games in the past 3 seasons and participated in 2 games in 2020, emerges as the most prominent among over 10 Alabama players entering the transfer portal. This group includes notable names such as wide receiver Ja'Cory Brooks, quarterback Tyler Buckner, also a lacrosse player, reserve offensive lineman Terrence Ferguson Jr., defensive backs Earl Little Jr. and Christian Story, defensive lineman Munkle Goodwine, wide receivers Malik Benson and Shaz Preston, tight end Miles Kitselman, and quarterback Eli Holstein.
This wave of transfers marks a significant development for the Crimson Tide, indicating a shift in the team's composition and dynamics.